Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will create super tasty composition of salmon, zucchini, carrots and lime sauce. But first, as usual, allow me to introduce all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Operation Salmon, I start with this food processor, which normally I'm using to peel potatoes. But today I need really thin slices of carrots. So thin, like this, look. To slice zucchini, I will use another modern food processor. But first, I will cut zucchini in half. It will be much easier. We need also thinly sliced onion. Veggies are ready. Now time for a star of the day, salmon. But first, heat up the frying pan, oil on, salmon is ready, set aside. Now I will change the oil and start to cook veggies. Okay, oil goes on. Salt, freshly ground pepper, this is one of my favorite sauces. Crazy, simply crazy, so delicious. Amigos, this combination of flavors is simply unique. You really should make it. Extremely delicious salmon with veggies in lime sauce just landed on the table. Bon appetit!